Gad. Ma'am Gad. Ma'am Jo. Ma'am Jo. Ma'am Jessa. Ma'am Jessa. Ma'am Pet. Ma'am Yanyan. Ma'am Yanyan. Ikaw. Isa ba? Ang mga mga Ma'am
Kuyang.
Ma'am Indonesia. Ma'am Ginji Kopono. And the rest of the team sa Boy Bulkit Fanatics Club, thank you so much. O sa tanan mga virgin diya mamis, thank you so much for following and supporting Artistang Ilaw. Thank you so much. It's our 4th anniversary. Assuming ako. 4th mansari. Ano anniversary na. Pero thank you so much. Giabot kami 1,000 kabok members sa tuwang Fanatics Club. And we are still hoping, counting for more, magyapunta siya. Diba?
Yeah.
So again, si Suling, viral ito siya, itong top karon sa YouTube. Tapos, si Dinden, ang ako ang kuhan ka na, akong karaan nga partner, kananay partner sa tubangan, di na pwede mo gunik. Kinanay, si Teryo, si Cordapia, kay kuhan ba dito, may pista, namakal si Cordapia. Giringan ko sa, basta namakal si Cordapia. Cordapia, pagdala ni Cordapia, thank you so much. Ano mo sa akin ha? Thank you so much na ang mamis kay naipakake.
Sabi pa ko ano?
Ano siya? Tapos niya baka-baka rin na naligtisda nga ulo.
Ulo tamban.
Pero thank you so much. Dagan ba ang team sa Artistang Ilaw? Dagan pa mi, pero wala din ang muban. Ano siya? Nag-isig-iya migla. Isig-iya naman siya pakal sa kone.
Hindi na mga ako nagtawag.
Hindi mga ako, thank you so much.
Thank you. Kain na din na. Kain na na.
Atak na.
Atak!
Yopi na.
Atak! Dali mo!
Ayun na! Nakalikuran na lang ang plato.
Dali lang mo!
Dali na mo!
Ate Cindy!
Yay!
Tara na maglingaw, wag tangan kamingaw. Ang natong video
Sa
Artistang Ilaw.
Anak.
Thank you so much guys for supporting Artistang Ilaw. And wala mo na kao kay today. Ang ato ang 4th Mensalis kong Boy Bulkit Fanatics Club. Thank you so much Hong Kong Mamis, and of course, thank you so much kong 1,000 na kabukang members sa Artistang Ilaw. Karon guys, sa dili ko kabalo mo kanta, pero I had to render a song para sa inyong tanan. And hopefully mag-enjoy mo sa music, mag-enjoy mo sa lyrics, ani nga kanta. And of course, together with me, kauban ako all the way from Europe, Miss Lynn on the drum. Thank you so much. Si Miss Lynn, hindi lang siya basta mo-drum. O kanta po na siya, do it ning duha. Muli ko so karang virtual do it. Diba? Thank you so much. So, here we go. This is the song. Cute kini si Miss Lynn. Crush ko na si Miss Lynn, no? Guapa, guapa. Nakanta ni. Hey!
Tell me how you like me, I could play hard.
Thank ที่ขาดเป็นเพลงมาลิงอีกคงใส่น้องคงแข่งมาลิงมาลิงมาพวกคงแข่งน้องเองน้องเองก็สิริเธอพี่ว่าเธอที่ขาดเป็นเพลงมาลิงอีกคงใส่น้องคงแข่งมาลิงมาลิงมาคือใจละสิ่งและก็รู้เธอที่ขายเก่ง
มาลองกองเพลงให้น้องใจได้ขอจริงๆขอ
เพลงมาลิงอีกคงใส่น้องคงแข่งมาลิงมาลิงมาพวกคงแข่งน้องเองน้องเองก็สิริเธอพี่ว่าเธอที่ขาดเป็นเพลงmaling pulak ay ngomong sinuche Bakit sibawa Ang ilang tanong lucho eh Wala kami just ang meron ito Thank you so much for watching Again, thank you so much for the round of applause for Miss Lynn all the way from Uruguay Ayan, thank you so much guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe sa tuwang YouTube channel dahil Chumi Comedy o sa akong kulab na si Jano na Franco Easter. And of course, try na po ninyo subscribe ang mga Hong Kong Mans.